Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to create a website on Adobe Express. Creating a website on Adobe Express is a straightforward process, and here is how you can do it. First of all, open up a web browser and sign into your Adobe Express account. Once you're logged into your Adobe Express account, from the Get Started tab, go ahead and scroll through and find the web page option and click on it. Now, you will be prompted to add a title. Click on the text box to name your web page project and add a title and subtitle to give your web page a clear identity. After you are done entering a title and a subtitle, go ahead and click the plus button at the bottom and add a photo, a short cover, and split layout. Choose any one option from the bottom menu and then select any one option. Now, click on the plus icon on the right hand side to add various elements such as photos, text, buttons, GIFs, videos, etc. If you choose photo, you can upload your own photo or choose from Adobe stock. Similarly, to add and format text using headings and hyperlinks, choose the text option. Create buttons with custom URLs by choosing button, and you can also add GIFs or videos. Select any one content to your web page. You can select the custom elements from Adobe stock or select one from your device by choosing upload from device and importing any elements of your choice. Keep adding more elements as needed in order to give your website a great finish. Fine-tune your selected elements by choosing the options provided within it. Keep adding more elements to your project, and once you are done, you can go ahead and click on the preview button at the top right in order to see how your web page looks. You can go ahead and make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything is aligned and visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can then go ahead and close the preview and click on the share button at the top right corner. Now click on publish to web and Adobe Express will generate a unique URL for your web page. If you want to give any credits to anyone, you can mention it over here. Enable your author's name. If you want to protect your web page with password, turn on the password protection, and finally click on create link in order to create a unique URL for your web page. After you do that, you can copy your URL and then share it on social media, via email, or any other provided platforms to reach your audience. So that is how you will be able to create a website using Adobe Express. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.